What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to 31 Days of Blend, and this is day 28. I am so excited because we have just 3 days left till the end of 31 Days of Blend. I'm excited and I'm sad at the same time. I don't even know how to explain that feeling. I'm excited because we're almost done, and I'm sad because I'm going to miss 31 Days of Blend. So, moving to today's video. Today's video was requested by Damilola Togun. She said, I love the outcome. She was commenting under another video. I'll look for the video and then put the link in the description box for you guys if you love to see it. So she said, can you do a color blend of 430 and silver? I'm in Nigeria, in case you don't know. I'm in Kwara State, Nigeria, and over here the color 4 is like gold, like I mean pure gold, like gold for payment and valuable stuff. It's very scarce here. I don't think I've ever seen color 4 here since I've been working here or even living here. So I just decided to like substitute color 2 rather, for color 4. So today we are going to be blending with the color 2, color 30 and color silver. This silver is Pebble from Expression. The name of the color is Pebble. It's from their newest collection. The new collection is amazing. I love all the colors. I don't think, I'm definitely going to buy all the colors from the beauty supply store and blend with them just so that you guys can see what it looks like. I really want to try out the colors. The colors are interesting. I think I'm just going to like put a picture of the colors on the screen so you guys can just check it out and let me know which of these colors you would love me to blend next. Of course, even after 31 days of blend, we are still going to continue our blend videos. I'm not just going to be posting back to back like this one. Let me know in the comment section if you've watched all the other 27 videos from 31 days of blend. If you have, do drop a comment in the comment section below and you'll get a shout out in my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everything. And you guys, we have 1212 subscribers at the time that I'm recording this voiceover, and I'm so excited. Like, thank you so much. I can't believe we actually started 31 days of blend to say thank you for 1000 subscribers, and almost at the end of 31 days of blend we have acquired over 200 subscribers in a space of 1 month. Like, what? You guys are so amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for turning on your post notification and watching. I checked my analytics recently and I realized that a lot of people watch my videos from notification. Like, you guys are actually turning on your post notification. Like, you guys are the real OG. I feel like I can go on and on just saying thank you to you guys. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. If you've subscribed to the channel, if you've been on the channel from the very beginning, or even if you just subscribed, just drop it in the comment below. Let me know when you subscribed. Let me know which video made you subscribe to the channel. Let me know how long you've been watching my videos, just so we can know our families. And then also let me know your name in the comment section just so I can relate better with you guys. I feel like I've gotten closer to you guys during these 31 days of blend. I have shown a different side of me that I have never shown on my channel. I feel like with other blend videos, I'm usually just very serious, just talking to you guys about the blend. But for these 31 days of blend, I've decided that, you know what, you guys are my family members. You need to know other side of me. I can be serious and I can be very goofy at times. So I've shown that on my channel and it has made me feel like I've connected more with you guys. So let me know which of this of my voiceovers you love. Do you like the ones where I just mess around and play around with you guys and just have fun? Like when I was talking about the old racism thingy. I really love that video so much. If you've not seen it, I don't know what you're waiting for. It was a blend of color 30, 27, 613 and color white. I'm going to link it in the description box as well. I have a whole lot of other videos like that as well that I was just messing around. I was just having fun and I really enjoyed those videos. I hope that you guys enjoyed them too. So yeah, I do have a playlist dedicated to color blend videos, and right now we have almost 100 blends in the list rather, and I'm so excited. You guys already know how I always say that I can't wait for us to have 200 videos in that playlist, and now we're almost at 100 videos, and I'm so excited, so excited. So yeah, I'm really loving how this blend is going. Yeah, I didn't talk about quantity. For quantity, I use the same quantity for all three colors were the same quantity for this video, and I am loving how it is turning out. It is looking very beautiful. This is something that I would definitely pull off because this looks rich. Like, I don't know why, but it is giving me rich vibe. It's giving me like rich auntie. You know how this billionaires wives just want something toned down but still look exquisite. That's what this color is giving me. So yes, you should do try it out if you are trying to like achieve the whole rich auntie vibe. Yes. So yeah, I'm just going to keep blending. You guys already know. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. In here, we love to blend till all the colors are well combined and we cannot see a chunk of one color. In our own opinion, we just feel like it makes us look less tacky. It makes us look put together, and it makes us look expensive, chic, and makes us also look like we know what we are doing. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the end result. Look at it. It is vibrant. It is very beautiful. Like, I don't even know what adjective to use to qualify this blend. I am loving it so much. I'm trying to give you guys a far away look just so you see what it also looks like far away. Look at how it is giving. It is giving melanin popping. This color can be worn by all complexions. I'm just going to like bring it closer to you guys so that you can see how all the colors are just well blended. All this brownness is just very beautiful. So I'm just going to braid with this extension, and this is what it looks like close up. You can see how it is so popping, so beautiful. The color is, I don't know how to explain it, but you guys can see how it is looking like. I'm going to bring the braid close up to you guys and see. Look at this. I am so definitely going to braid with this extension. I love the color blend so much. I feel like at this point I have said I'm going to use all the blends I've done for this 31 days of blend to braid, but I'm definitely going to do that one day. I'm going to finish using all these colors because I know that there are so many colors and there are so many more colors to go that I'm going to try out. So yeah, this is what it is looking like, and we've come to the end of the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.